Hey everyone, Josh from DigiQuatics here, and today I want to show you a new feature that we launched in the staff scheduling module called Weekly Shift Templates. So to get started, go ahead and go to Scheduling and then Schedule. Now with Shift Templates, you can actually save any type of template that you want. So your template could either have unassigned shifts in it, they could be assigned, they could be published, whatever you want to do, you can create a template however you'd like and then import it to whatever future week you want. So just as an example, I'm going to go to shift mode. Now I've created a bunch of open shifts and also some assigned and unassigned and unpublished shifts as well, just to kind of show you what this looks like. Now I'm going to create a couple of these and change them over to be instructor shifts, just so you can see these and the differences here. And then I will save the template. So once you're all set and you've got your schedule pretty much figured out for how you want to use it in the future, just go ahead and click on the little columns icon here to save your template, and you can name it whatever you would like. So I'm going to say this is our summer week A template. Use this template for the first weeks in summertime. And once I save this, now I can see that this is an option here for loading future templates. If you need to delete one, of course you can delete a template as well. So I'm going to then go to another week here in the future, and let's jump to say June. And just so you can see what this looks like, you can also delete an entire week or an entire day or month all at one time. So I'm going to go ahead and delete these shifts, and then I am going to re-import that template that I created. So again, click on that same icon with the 3 bars and go ahead and load this template. Are you sure? Yes. Now this is going to take a little bit of processing power. So you're just going to have to wait 1 second for it to load that data. You can either refresh your browser or just switch weeks, and then it will load in your shifts. So you can see they're exactly the same. I have a bunch of open shifts. I've got some that are assigned, and I've got some WSI shifts here. And you'll also notice the color coding of the different positions. So from here, I can of course do any manual changes that I want to. So I can go in and now assign these shifts to employees and update the schedule from here. It's not going to affect the template at all. If you do need to make a new template, just go ahead and save this as a new template and then delete the old one, and you should be all ready to go. If you have any questions on templates, feel free to give us a quick line down in the intercom chat box, and we hope you enjoy this new update. Thanks and have a great day.